Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio and today we're reviewing the Haier A2FE735CXJ frost-free fridge freezer. Now we're seeing more and more Haier products in the UK, which is no surprise really considering they've been the world's #1 major appliance brand for 3 years running. And the company's commitment to quality shines through in this product. The 3D, that's 3-door design, is intriguing, and the stainless steel doors with dark grey sides combine to make an attractive addition to any kitchen. The top door is the fridge, which has the control panel on it. You've got a nice bright display and it gives you individual temperature settings for fridge, MyZone and freezer. There's super cool and super freeze for your big shop, holiday mode and door open alarm. Now the right hand hinge door is reversible, and opening up the 201 net litre capacity fridge, it's lit up by one of the best lights I've seen on any appliance. The tower LED gives off a lovely glow. There are 3 good sized door shelves. The middle one is height adjustable and it's got the benefit of a removable sliding lidded dairy box. Now I'll put one of the 2 egg holders inside, but obviously you can put your butter or your cheeses or whatever you like in there. The bottle shelf will take a 2 litre bottle, and if you want to fill it with 2 litre bottles, obviously you can take this out and store it somewhere else within the fridge. It's all got this lovely quality silver trim on, and that goes right into the fridge. Storage wise, there are 3 safety glass shelves. The top shelf is described as folding, which means that the front pushes in to form a half shelf so that you can have some taller items stored on the one below. Now the middle shelf is height adjustable, and attached to it is a collapsing bottle rack, which is great for added space. Now the one below that is just a normal shelf, and then the 4th shelf acts as a lid for the fruit and veg crisper, which has a sliding humidity control depending on what you're storing inside. Now below that is the MyZone. Very clever, very flexible, because you've got individual temperature control on it. So you can choose defrost, quick cool or 0 degrees chilling. Now 0 degrees chilling is great if you want to store your meat and your fish in there. And that silver trim just makes it all look very classy. Moving on to the frost-free freezer. Behind the 2 doors are pull-out chest type drawers. Now the bottom one is slightly larger, and on the top you've got a transparent tray. You can put lots of stuff in there, that's great. And below that is the big storage area. You've got lots and lots in there, that's great. And it's all frost free, so you can see exactly what's in the bottom there. Now the next one is slightly smaller. Again, you get a small removable tray, which is great for ice cubes. You can fill that up with your ice cubes. And the floor of this top bin, still a big storage area, is transparent, so you can see right through to what's going on in the bottom. And again, like I say, it's frost free, so you should be able to see exactly what you've got. Now moving on to the dimensions, we have a height of 1905 millimeters, we have a width of 595 millimeters, and we have a depth of 672 millimeters. But you must have 5 millimeters either side of the appliance for clearance and at the back. Now the door overhang on this product, because it's quite a thick door, when you open it you've got an overhang, or a balcony, a door balcony as it's called, at 90 degrees there of an opening angle. It adds about 35 millimeters on to the width of the product when placing it up to a side wall or an obstacle. Now obviously the more you open it, the more space is required, but at 90 degrees it's 35mm. So summing up, this good looking product has a long lasting digital inverter compressor, driving it quietly and efficiently to an A++ energy rating to save your money. It has space age compact insulation for more capacity. It has a host of features, a 5-year parts and labour guarantee, and you could have one in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical, and that's evenings and weekends included.